It is time now for a new segment on Better Connecticut, Better Law.
All right, love it. Joining us now, are you ready? His name is attorney Lawyer Twilley of LA Law. So your first name is Lawyer.
First name's Lawyer.
And you're named after your father.
Named after my father, who was not a lawyer.
Which is really incredible.
Yeah, so I'm actually Lawyer Twilley II.
Which is
Lawyer
really...
A. Twilley II.
Now, did you want to always be a lawyer, having your first
Absolutely
name?
not.
No.
Absolutely not. In fact, I rebelled against it.
You did?
Yes.
Well, you have an interesting story that you started out working for insurance companies, so you sort of got the inner workings of what happens on the other side when you were working behind the scenes at an insurance company.
Right, right. Which is very advantageous to my clients now because I know what goes on behind closed doors, like the Wizard of Oz.
You're like on the other side now. You switched teams.
Yes, I was on the dark side. And
You're on the dark side, now you're on the light side. What made you become a lawyer?
You know what? I thought it was a good fit for me. After rebelling for so many years, everybody asking me, oh, are you a lawyer? Or are you going to become a lawyer? It was good for me. My personality, I've always wanted to help people. When I was younger, we would take kids in that were having problems.
Right.
I'm always trying to help people. And what better way to do that than as an attorney?
Right.
And doing the insurance stuff, not really helping out too much. But now with LA Law, that's really a goal. We're really trying to amp up that helping people and treating people as people and not just dollar signs.
Right,
So we
right,
really are
LA Law.
LA Law.
Of course, we know the show, but these are just your initials, LA.
Yes. Lawyer A. I won't go into what my actual middle name is.
You have no idea. I keep watching the commercial going, which one was he on the show?
Yeah.
Which one was, wasn't Susan Day on the show?
Well, I haven't aged much.
You look terrific.
So, yeah,
no,
thank
which
you.
is really good. So growing up, you didn't want to be a lawyer.
No.
Then you become a lawyer.
Yes.
And now you're in Hartford. And how recently did you put out your shingle in Hartford?
Really recently, just a month.
Wow.
Oh.
Yes, so we're in our first 30 days.
Well, that's
Wow.
great.
Yes, I mean, I've worked in Hartford I've been in the Hartford area for almost 20 years now.
Okay.
But hanging out our own shingle and stepping away and putting our own stamp on what we do for personal injury and for our clients, a month,
my God, that's
first 30
really
days.
wonderful.
You know, people see, people know a lot about personal injury from the commercials that are all out there, but
Sure.
what's different? What made you decide to make your own firm? How do you think what you do is different?
Well, a lot of advertising attorneys, there's this perception of what they do. What I do differently and what our team is doing differently is really helping people, right? That's the goal. When you put people first, good things follow. So I've worked at places in the past that didn't necessarily take that approach, but we're really trying to humanize the personal injury practice. And I guess one way to say it is we're trying to put the personal back into personal injury.
People just don't know where to turn after an accident.
Sure.
So, now they have some place they
There's
can
another
go.
option, and we're trying to do something a little bit different.
Well, I'm just glad your first name isn't psychopharmacologist.
That exists. I'm glad also.
Hey, well, they say a lot's in a name. At least people remember, right? Lawyer. And
Lawyer.
you know who to call for the lawyer if your name is Lawyer
That's
Twilley. So thank you so much for coming on. And you're welcoming people in the Hartford area if they've been in an accident or they have even just questions about what to do next. You really want to be a resource.
Yeah, statewide. In fact, I was in Brookfield just the other day helping somebody out.
Cool. So
Candlewood
you'll
Lake.
travel.
Yeah.
Travel
We'll
throughout.
travel.
Well, we're looking forward to working with you in the future.
Same.
Very nice
It's very
to meet
nice
you.
to
We'll
meet
get,
you
we'll
both.
get a lot of free legal advice here on Better Connecticut.
the
We'll
both
share it with
sides.
our viewers. Yeah.
All right, if you'd like to contact Attorney Twilley, you can go to his website, lalawct.com, or look for him on social media at LA Law CT.